I wanted to let you be here for the grand opening. I haven't even, all I did was cut the tape so far. God, I'm so excited. Be right back, gotta get my knife. Oh, it's beautiful. And I've requested 20 more pen pals. Oh, it's a Royal. I thought it was some sort of weird brand that I'd never heard of before. It says Royal. Did you know that? Yeah, it was some sort of Kawasaki Namasaki thing that I'd never heard of. Now this is nice. Instruction manual. And it's got a I'm going to keep this to keep the dust and fuzz off of it. Oh, I think it, yeah, it has a ribbon in it already. Good, because my ribbons didn't come. Just so happen to have a plug-in back here. We don't use it because it's right there on the bed. I'll be right back. Here's your special typing paper that I made for you. It says, "Greetings, Earthling. No matter how far away you are, I will always be thinking of you." You know, I really probably shouldn't turn it on until I read the instruction manual. But it doesn't have any packing in there or anything. It's so nice. Dear Janet,